morning, cruisers.
Good morning.
Is that a shout out to Bill?
Hi, Bill.
Bill Raffel. We started off watching YouTube, watching Bill Raffel's videos.
Love that guy. Great videos. Check him out.
Oh, we used to love watching his videos. Anyway, it is not cruise day. It is actually, we're going to Chicago again today. We're going to see our son. We're going to a game and just spending some quality time with the kid.
At least this time it's not 30 below.
Yes, it's going to be 90 above. No. So anyway, we are off to the train station again. So here we come, Chicago. So we made it into our room. We've checked in super early.
Yay.
Yay. Thanks to
Allison
at the Whitehall. We made a huge mistake the last time. I called her Alicia, but it's actually Allison. Allison hooked us up. She takes care of us as well as Cheryl does, but Cheryl's not there today. So anyway, we definitely want to give a shout out to Allison. Thank you so much for getting us in early.
You're the best. Thank you.
Yes, you are the best.
They're one of my favorite reasons to come to Chicago. Dunkin' Donuts coffee and the vanilla long john. And I don't care if it's 90 outside.
It's 90 degrees outside and Joe's having a coffee. Me, on the other hand, I got a nice coffee. So we just stopped in to have a bite to eat at Harry Carey's. We're at the water tower. It's starting to rain.
We're stuck inside.
Yeah, so we're coming in here for a gold beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. So what are we having, Joe?
We're having nachos with a whole bunch of toppings, some jalapenos, some diced tomatoes, pico de gallo.
And we're having a flatbread.
Flatbread, yep. With pepperoni, sausage, double plate.
At where are we
Harry
at?
Carey.
Harry Carey's bar at the May on the water tower. Yep. We are currently at Michael's getting pizza. We're gonna try the Chicago
Tavern style pizza.
Tavern style pizza. Joe wants to try that out.
Well, this is what the locals eat, right? They don't eat the deep dish, so we're trying with the locals. And Chris is having Italian beef, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah. So we're just enjoying a cold beer, and there's Chris.
Hello.
He's gonna be on the YouTube channel as well too. So
Oh yeah, make my cameo.
there you go. So yeah, we're just enjoying a cold beer with Chris. There you go. Cheers. Yeah, water for Joe. All right, so this is a tavern style pizza that we got with light on the cheese and well done. Joe's gonna do the first taste. I don't know, the carriage is kind of floppy. What do you think? Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. What's the taste?
Good in the carriage.
Yeah.
Lots of toppings on it. It's got sausage, mushrooms, and green pepper, light on the cheese, and well done. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Very good. Very good.
So on the Dave Portnoy scale, 7, 8. Ah, look at that! I guessed it. having a cold beer with the kid.
Cubs game day. Cubs are going to win. We need to win. We need a W back. High school beer, DraftKings Sports.
There you go. Wow, he should be doing my videos.
Cut the small talk.
Yeah. Are you happy working for the Cubs?
Love it. If you need a group outing, 50 people or more, I can get you a discount on tickets, depending on the game. 773-269-5283. Call it.
There you go. You heard it from Chris, who works at the Cubs. He's my son. He'll hook you up. Go Sam for group sales, really. This will reach all of the 65 subscribers we have. Hopefully, we will get maybe 67. Maybe even 70. We're shooting for it. But anyway, here's
Why you should subscribe to them. Good content, local Canadian content. They work hard, they try, they love what they're doing. This is a pastime for them. Everyone has their own pastime. Mine's baseball. I enjoy baseball. I don't make that content. They have their own full-time jobs, their own lives. This is something as a side project.
Go ahead.
Cruising Canadians, here's why you should subscribe to them. Good content, local Canadian content. They work hard, they try, they love what they're doing. This is a pastime for them. Everyone has their own pastime. Mine's baseball. I enjoy baseball. I don't make that content. They have their own full-time jobs, their own lives. This is something as a side project, and they like to do it. Good content. They're very knowledgeable on it. That's why you should subscribe to Cruising Canadians. And they're my parents. They're the best.
So you're at the DraftKings.
We're at that. Beautiful. My God, they have everything. TV screen, big ones all over. Food, drinks, you can't beat it. Put some money on the Cubs. We'll see.
Yeah.
Not confident on it at all.
So how happy are you?
Very happy to be here.
Yeah.
Love the city of Chicago.
Father's Day weekend?
Actually, can't get anything better than this.
Good.
Thank you.
No! Oh my God! Where did
Did you ever go to that building, the Salesforce building over there? Did you ever go here? Look at this building over here. Did you ever walk in? Name's Joe. What type of banter you got?